To successfully use Shopify with Printify and sell out, start by setting up your Shopify store. Create a professional-looking store with a clear and concise product description, high-quality product images, and an easy-to-use navigation menu. Next, integrate Printify with your Shopify store by installing the Printify app from the Shopify App Store. This will allow you to connect your Printify account with your Shopify store and start selling print-on-demand products. After integration, add products to your Shopify store using Printify. Browse the Printify product catalog and select the products you want to sell. Then customize them with your designs and set your prices. When adding products, make sure to optimize your product listings for search by using relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions. This will help your products appear in search results and attract more customers. To increase sales, use Shopify marketing tools such as email marketing, social media integration, and product reviews to promote your products and engage with your customers. Additionally, use Printify shipping options to offer fast and affordable shipping to your customers. This will help increase customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. To actually sell out, focus on creating high-demand products by using trending designs and products that are currently in demand. Use social media platforms to promote your products and reach a wider audience. Monitor your sales and analytics to see which products are performing well and adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. By following these steps, you can successfully use Shopify with Printify and sell out your products.